So you guys have asked me quite a lot of questions about property recently. I thought I'd do a series on the beach answering you. Great question is, shall my first property be a rental or a flip? Well, that does depend. What are you trying to achieve? For me, because I was kind of so emotionally drawn into, I want to own property. I want to make sure that I've got a secure property portfolio. You know, I had that kind of energy about it. I made sure that my first 7 properties were keepers, which did give me some cash flow problems because property sucks up cash in the early days. And then I started flipping because I was like, oh, I see. That's why people flip, because they run out of money as investors. Oh, I got it now. Yeah. So it depends. If you are desperately keen to have rental property early on, then write out a business plan and figure out your cash flow and buy a bunch of renters. But the one kind of warning sign I'll give you is you have got to be sourcing discounted, because you've got to pull every single penny back out of that renter, including the renovation cost, including the fee cost, including the interest cost, not only the purchase cost. So you got to be absolutely on the nail for your sourcing, because otherwise you will slowly sink into the mire of running out of money. We all do it, by the way. If you are desperate for cash and you just want a cracking big bank balance, and I'm telling you, it's really nice to have 6 figures at all times in your bank balance, it really is, then perhaps you might think about flipping. And you say, look, I'm going to flip for like 4 years, I'm just going to smash it out, and then I'm going to buy myself a bunch of properties and just retire to Spain. Why not? So it is really about what drives you. But if you wanted me to give you some advice and say, Suze, what should you think I should do? And you were saying to me, look, I do want to end up with property, but I want to do some flips as well. Then the classic advice is buy 5, sell 3, buy 5, sell 2. Basically, buy 5, sell 2.5. So for every 5 flips, you want to be doing basically buy one and keep it, buy one and flip it, and that just keeps your cash flow moving. Then buy one and keep it, and then buy one and flip it, and that keeps your cash flow moving. So half and half is the real sensible answer that many of us who are quite experienced would kind of give you as a generalist answer. If you don't have enough money to do that, what do you do? What's your solution? Because there's always a solution to everything in property. Well, it's joint ventures, isn't it? So if you're super keen, like I was, to buy property, to own property, and I was super keen to make that happen, what I did is realize that I bought the first lot in order to keep myself, and then I went, oh, hang on a minute, I'm running out of money. Oh, this is a bit painful, because of course I was completely running out of money. Isn't this glorious? And so then my second round, if you like, of property projects was about me doing joint ventures. So I used my cash to own property, and then I worked with JV partners who were really keen to use my expertise and my energy, my drive and my ability to source discounted deals, and I did JV flips with a whole load of people, and so I didn't need to put any cash flow in, and I got 50% of the profit. So not 100%, so I needed to do more flips, but it meant that it wasn't jeopardizing my cash flow in those really important cash flow days. So that might be a nice solution for you. If this has been useful, do like the video, because it will help other people find the video. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel, because as you can see, we've got a load of cracking videos for you guys on property. And I've got an absolutely superb website for you, so hop on over. It is thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. It is stacked full of cracking information that you can download straight away. I've made it super easy for you just to find exactly what you need in property to succeed. Good luck. So half and half is kind of the answer. If what we've put out for you guys really works for you, then fabulous. Support our channel, click the like button, and thank you so much.